Hi guys, do you want to learn how to animate your text with keyframes? Good news, it is not rocket science. This tutorial will teach you all about keyframe text animation step by step, and you'll be doing it yourself in no time. Filmora 10 is a video editing program that makes it all happen. Keep on watching and see how easy it is. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you want to get some more tips and tutorials, subscribe to my channel.
Keyframe animation is something new that's come out with Filmora 10. They have told us that we can change the rotation, the scale or the size, the position of something, and the opacity. But we can only apply these to images, videos, elements, and overlays. And they tell us we cannot animate text. However, if you think about it, if we take a snapshot of some text, we can animate that snapshot. So let me show you. We're going to play this title clip that, of course, is built into Filmora 10, and you can do your animation with it. You've seen this before. Okay, we are on the very last frame of that clip, and we're going to take a snapshot. Let's pull that snapshot into the video line. Now I had this set on a white background, so I need to extend the white background. Okay. So let's look at the transition between the preset video title and the snapshot to see how they look together. It's a pretty smooth transition. Can't even tell where they go together. Now, we're going to apply keyframing to just the image. So we double click, make sure animation is on, and we're going to add a keyframe right at the beginning. First thing we're going to do is change its size. So we pull the playhead forward, we come up here, scale it smaller. Now, see how the next keyframe came in? It's going to change size in between these two dots. Now let's go a little further. We're going to play with animation rotation. So we did it 360 degrees, and we put in another keyframe. Okay, now that we've rotated 360 degrees, let us change position. Now we can just take this up and grab it and put it up here in a corner. And last, we're going to change the opacity to make our title disappear. Click OK. So we've changed the size, we've rotated it, we've moved it, we've changed position, and we've changed the opacity to fade it out. Let's see how this all looks together. There's a size change, the rotation, the movement, and it's fading out into nowhere. Did these 4 different things. You probably might not do all 4, but I have shown you how you can animate text in Filmora 10, and I hope this helps you.
Hope you enjoyed learning how easy it is to do animation keyframing in Filmora 10. In case you don't have Filmora 10 yet, I have a link in the description that lets you try Filmora 10 for free. It will be a fully functional program where you can give it a test drive. However, when you do go to export your finished project, the finished video will have a watermark on it. But if you like it, you can then purchase it at a pretty good price. Do keep in mind that if you do decide to purchase Filmora 10, I will receive a commission from the sale. Thanks and happy editing.